Hello, welcome back to the kitchen with me, Debbie. Today I'm making one of my simple weeknight dishes, although it's not weeknight, it's Saturday. But I'm just making something simple. It's my my jerk pineapple stir fry chicken. So here I have about, it's only for 3 today. So here I have about a half a pound of boneless, skinless chicken thigh. I don't know what it is, but I prefer chicken thigh over breast. If you want to use breast, you're welcome. And I've already washed it and soaked it in vinegar, trimmed as much as the fat as I want to. So I'm gonna season this thing up now. So here I have my store-bought jerk marinade. I'm using the mild, and I'm gonna add about a teaspoon and a half of jerk marinade. And then I have my blend of allspice, clove, and star anise. Remember, this is a small amount, so I don't want to overpower it. So this is about a teaspoon, and then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of black pepper. Ooh, I almost went too much. Teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna add since I'm gonna grill it on an indoor grill, about a teaspoon of grapeseed oil. You can use olive oil or any oil you please. Tell you the truth. I'm gonna mix this up really well. In the meantime, I'm doing this. I'm also making some chicken soup for my Jade. She's not feeling well. Baby Gold is not feeling too well, so she requested some of Mommy's powerful chicken soup. Speaking of which, okay. Alright guys, I'm just gonna set this aside. It's not gonna be no long marinade thing because today is Saturday and I just like to relax and enjoy Hallmark Channel. I had to take a break from watching what's going on in Hallmark, North and South Carolina, because he was getting me down. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna cover this and set it aside and get some other ingredients together. Let me show you some of the ingredients I'm getting together. Will be this is probably too much. I'm gonna get about 2 cloves of this garlic, this half an onion. I don't know why I took so many out. This bell pepper, this yellow onion, this half a green, red, and yellow bell pepper. I'm gonna do about 2 of these carrots, a pinch of this fresh ginger, a piece of this broccoli. A couple times I've made this dish. Instead of broccoli, I've used fresh green beans. You can substitute the broccoli with green beans, and I actually prefer it. Somehow I didn't have any and I didn't feel like running to the store to get any. So just to let you know, I've substitute this with green beans, so you can do that also. And so I'm gonna set the chicken aside and get these ingredients together. Also in a bowl, I'm gonna mix together the brown sugar. No, I'm gonna show you that, so I show you how much of that I'm gonna mix together. So when I'm done chopping this up and we're grilling the chicken, I'll come back and mix the liquid ingredients together. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so all my fresh veggies are cut up. I have here a cup of it's a half a cup of fresh chopped pineapples. I have here a couple carrots. I have green onions, scallions. I have my red, yellow, and green bell peppers. I have my sliced onions, fresh garlic, and fresh ginger. So we're gonna take a pause and move over to grilling the chicken. Okay, guys, the oven is preheated to 400. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of the what you gonna call it? My okay, I gotta read it because I don't know what. Okay, the grapeseed oil on there before I put the chicken on there. That's the brush I'm looking for. I forgot to show you that I did cut up some broccoli and wash some broccoli too. But I did show you before that I use broccoli, and sometimes I use green beans, but this time I use broccoli. Okay, so I got the green beans on there. Let me give it a few seconds to get hot enough. Dad, are you sure you're not getting these seeds? I feel really tired.
I'm tired.
What is it, okay? Alright, where's my chicken? And I feel really absent-minded today. What's that about? Okay. Get these. Alright, I'm not gonna let you sit and watch that grill, guys. We'll be back, okay? Okay, guys, this could be a 30-minute meal. If you're into meal prep, this is a great 30-minute meal because all the ingredients can be prepped ahead. I mean, all the vegetables can be prepped ahead. They can even be frozen, put in a Ziploc bag, label, and you're good to go. This can be seasoned and frozen. Great prep ahead meal. As far as cooking them, these no more than 4 to 6 minutes on each side. So they're almost done here. As you can see, I'm taking them off and putting them on the cutting board because I'm gonna slice them when I'm done. You can either season them up and freeze them seasoned, or you can grill them, slice them, and freeze them. So versatile. This is a great thing. Great prep ahead meal, cook ahead, whichever one you choose to do to make your life, to simplify your life. Okay, so while I'm waiting on those, I'm going to move ahead and we're going to get ready to prepare the sauce, okay? Okay, so guys, I'm going to use the same bowl I had seasoned the meat in. And because I had used the mild jerk season, I have a bit of Scotch bonnet pepper here. You can always use red pepper flakes or cayenne pepper for spice if you want some spice. It's always optional. So I have a bit of Scotch bonnet there with the seasoning there for spice. Okay, to this I'm going to add. I'm going to start off with brown sugar. 1/3 cup of brown sugar. soy sauce, and I always advise use low sodium soy sauce. 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce. I need a 1/2 cup of water. Let me get a 1/2 cup of water. I'm moving all the chicken. Turn off the grill. Okay. Let's finish this. I need 1/3 cup of Worcestershire sauce. I'm a little bit low on Worcestershire sauce. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna complete that with the soy sauce. I need a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And I have here, this is hoisin sauce. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. I need cornstarch for thickening. A 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. If I didn't have the hoisin sauce in there, which is a little thick, I'll put a whole tablespoon of cornstarch in there. Okay, here's my sesame oil. I thought somebody misplaced it. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Okay. All right. Let me grab the chicken. And I'm going to cut these. Oh, God, I misplaced my knife. Just cut them into desired pieces. So good, so good. Okay guys, we're gonna pause and move over to the stove to finish this. Okay, I'm gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of my grapeseed oil. Yeah, one of these days, I don't know, I'm frazzle minded today. I don't know what's going on. I'm telling you, Jade must be getting me sick, but I rebuke that in Jesus' name. And after today, she ain't gonna be sitting on me. The devil's a lie. Let me clean this up. It's just a one-day thing. I don't think so. No, sorry. We don't do sick around here. I've been so blessed. I've had 5 kids and they don't get sick. She's almost 15. I don't know what's happening, but it's a lie. She's the last one and she's almost 15. I don't think so. They ain't starting that foolishness now. Okay, y'all. Bring them out. Oil to heat it up just a bit. Sorry, I'm just getting loud. Okay. Pause for a minute. Please look at this. Please share. Trying to get million likes, man. I hate when I don't know you people. Y'all just be just leave me alone. Hey, baby. I did. It's there. It's ready and it's done. You always pointing at somebody and saying somebody, I don't know what a bloody mess you sing.